As we always say, this is not just another night, not just another fast, not just another tradition carried forward by time. This is Mahashivaratri, the night when silence becomes louder than noise, the night when stillness becomes strength, the night of Shiva. Beneath the chants, beneath the celebrations, there is something far more powerful happening, an invitation, not outward but inward. The one we remember tonight is not merely a deity of mythology. He is the stillness that does not shake in chaos, the consciousness that does not break under pressure, the presence that can hold poison and yet remain composed. When darkness surfaced from the cosmic ocean, when destruction threatened creation itself, he did not look away. He did not pass responsibility. He did not calculate consequences. He absorbed it, holding the poison in his throat, becoming Neelakanta. Strength is not loud, power is not aggressive, divinity is not fragile. The true power is the ability to hold darkness without becoming it, and that is the essence of this night. Mahashivaratri is not about seeking, it is about strengthening. It is said that on this night, the energies naturally rise upward, supporting evolution, awareness, and elevation. But this elevation does not happen automatically. It happens when you choose awareness over impulse, stillness over reaction, consciousness over compulsion. The real battle is not outside, it is within. The anger that flares without control, the fear that silently dictates choices, the ego that constantly demands validation, the restlessness that never allows peace. Mahashivaratri is the night to look at it directly, bravely, and honestly. Shiva is not somewhere far away. Shiva is the awareness watching your thoughts, the strength behind your restraint, the calm that appears when you pause, the vastness you feel when the mind becomes quiet. When you sit in stillness tonight, even for a moment, you're not just remembering Shiva, you're experiencing him. This Shivratri, let your wakefulness be powerful. Stay awake to your habits, stay awake to your reactions, stay awake to the places where you lose control. Let your fast be discipline, let your prayer be sincerity, let your devotion be transformation. Because the greatest offering is not something placed outside. It is the darkness you conquer within. When you align with that stillness, life changes. Not because miracles suddenly appear, but because you respond differently, think differently, and you stand differently. And that shift is powerful. That is the significance of Mahashivaratri. A night that reminds you that you're not small, you're not helpless, you're not limited. Within you is the same stillness that holds storms, the same strength that absorbs poison, the same infinite consciousness. This Shivratri, don't just celebrate. Do not pray for things to change. Pray for the strength to rise, calm like the Himalayas, brave like the warrior within, pure like intention, vast like the sky.